Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your live brush on the Adobe Fresco application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Select the document from either your home section or the files section. Tap on it. Once it is loaded in, you should go to this section in the left side corner or left side of the screen. This is a column, and tap on the second brush, then tap on it again, and here you can find the live brushes. Here you can find the recent one. In the recent section you have 5 watercolor brushes that you can check out, and you can add any of these to your favorites by tapping on the star icon next to it. And you have the oil brushes too. You can check out your favorites in the favorites section, and as you go back and tap on this brush icon down below, you can also select the color, the size of the brush, the flow, the paint mix, and you can also set the brush settings such as the angle of it and the quality too. And after that you will be able to use your brush and draw with it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.